Welcome to myEntergy. If you've already created a myEntergy account and need to start service, choose Start, Stop, or Move from the menu at the top of the login page. Scroll down and select Start Service. Click on Sign in to myEntergy and enter your user ID and password. Next, please verify your identity by entering your PIN. Since you are starting service at a new address, click on Start Service at a New Address, highlighted in blue at the top of the dialog box. Next, begin filling in the address information for your new service. After typing in a few characters, you'll be presented with a drop-down choice of addresses closely matching what you have entered. If your new address is listed, simply click on it and it will auto-populate the remaining address fields. Click on Continue. Second, select the type of service or services needed at your new location, such as electric or gas or security lighting. Now you will be asked to provide the date you would like service to start. Click on the calendar icon in the Date dialog box. A calendar will display, allowing you to choose from available dates. Dates that are not available are grayed out. You may see a prompt notifying you of any permits or approvals that will be needed for your new service. If so, answer any questions presented and then click on Acknowledge and Save. Now you'll be asked if the new service will be in the name of the existing account. Please select Yes or No. To save time, we'll select Yes and click on Continue. Next, just verify or edit the information so that we are certain we have the correct name, email, and phone number for your account. Next, please enter the previous mailing address for your account. Click Continue. You'll need to confirm that the address matches what we have on file for that service address. If not, you'll need to provide the correct information. Now it's time to enter the mailing address for your new service. You can select from the pre-populated address based on the information you provided earlier, or enter a new mailing address where indicated. To help manage your account, let's set up a few notifications to keep you informed. You'll be offered a choice of email plus either a text or voice call option for most notifications. Additionally, you can choose a quiet time option for notifications from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. After making your selections for all categories, click Save and Continue. Next, please let us know who we should contact about this service request and provide us a little information about the property, such as whether or not an aggressive dog is at this location or if the meter is behind a locked gate on the property. Click Save and Continue. Now let's confirm how you want to receive your bill. After you review the selection, click on Save and Continue. Now it's time to select any other programs you'd like to set up for your account. After you make your selections, scroll down and click Save and Continue. Next, we'll ask you to verify all the information for your service request. If you need to edit any information, select the pencil icon to the right of a section and provide the corrected information. Then scroll down and click on Submit Request. Finally, you'll see a summary of your request. Simply scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on Done. You'll receive a welcome email confirming the details for your service request to the email you provided. That's it. Welcome to Entergy.